Johnyboy. I'm back in the office. It's not hard for me to sort of be upbeat and passionate, because that's what I am, that's what I do. But I'm still frustrated at the moment with customer service. It drives me insane, and I'm not having a go and slating people. And if I see some bad work, you know, I'm not gonna slate that company and who they are and what they are. But if I see something bad, I'm gonna say it. And if it's my work's bad, I'm gonna say it. It's just what we do. Just try and get these frustrations out of the way at the moment. The other thing that has been driving me insane a little bit is the fact that we've done it now. It's completed, and I feel a little bit better. But what was driving me absolutely bonkers was the fact that we had a fault with some grass, and the supplier changed it. That's fine, and the manufacturer, there was all these things happen. I get that, but we just got it cut in. It was all ready. I just couldn't get it glued because of the inclement weather conditions. Every time we had an opportunity to get it done, we were somewhere else, and then when we were free, it was raining. So that's done, that's ticked off the box now, and makes me feel better. But the only other thing now is it's the bank holiday, and where we are, this is the aero decking, and as you can see, we're making progress now. We just got to go in that corner. Okay, we want to make sure that the stud work on this side, you just scroll down your hand, was all in place, and it is. Got to tidy it up a little bit, but we're all ready to go to start decking over here. But the one thing that I've noticed is, of course, where we've been walking backwards and forwards, we've got a little bit of mud from whatever it's on here. Now we are going to clean it up, okay, just before we get going. But I'm going to use my favourite product. We're going to use a little bit. It's very liquid, all right, just a little bit. Let's get the bubbles up. Well, all I wanted to demonstrate here was with a soft brush and a little bit of fairy liquid, you can clean this new aero decking off, no problem at all. What we've been doing, we've been working in this garden, and the soil that they're putting in this garden, it's not soil, it's clay. Well, there we are. We're underway. This is a quick installation. Makes it quite simple with a camo, doesn't it, Andy? Yeah. Nice and easy, quick. Get the space on there and get it secured. So we're growing across there quite fast now. Well, here we are. We're at a point here now where I want to deliver a little bit more for the client, and I want to create a bit more shape and sort of maximise the design what we've done, because it will, if you accentuate a shape, that's what just gives it the wow factor. So let's see how this part here turns out. I've done a lot of how-to videos before, and a lot of people say to me, you know, I should show more detail, but the fact is I haven't got some big corporate entity behind me. All I can do is show you as I go along. For example, you know, and you'll get some people that will be nasty about this, but this is for those consumers out there that don't necessarily know what this is. This is a sliding bevel, okay? This will find the angle of your decking in this situation. So there's nothing more than simple than just putting this on the end, marking it to the shape you want, and then cutting it. So I haven't got time to do all that, but I'll show you what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. Oh, what a day. Nearly closed in this part here now. This is nearly complete. Where we moved the downpipe, the guttering came out and it caused a leak on there when it was raining. So we've done that now. It was so important that we got that connected, because the customer doesn't want the drip to go down all weekend. Look, what I wanted to show you is that we just come over here now, and you can See, this is like this all the way through. I guarantee you as well that when you look down, you have this membrane underneath. You've got chippage, you've got the pad stuff, and everything is clean underneath. There's no mud, there's no bits of paper or sandwich or the newspaper from 1969. It's clean. It's left tidy on the underside as what it will be on the top side. So if you're going to be in this industry, you want to operate in the right fashion, that's the way to do it.